discussing about the microorganisms. Microorganisms, okay. In microorganism, we discussed about the group of the organism, in which we already discussed algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoa. Now the virus. Okay, characteristics we already had discussed that these are the connecting link between the non-living and the living.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
पागल है.
They do not reproduce on their own. Okay, they will use the energy of the host body and grow properly. Okay, reproduce. Right, beta? Diagram I told you. The diagram in this virus we have to make bacteriophage virus. Number of the students are joining late now. चलिए बैक्टीरियोफेज draw the diagram bacteriophage virus. ठीक है, I told the meaning of the bacteriophage, which is the bacteria, right? Draw diagram, make the hexagonal shape. Make hexagonal shape. Then this hexagonal shape is called head. From 3 vertices, make a line. From 3 vertices, draw the line and then make triangle. Done. It's done by all. Now join the other 3 vertices with this. 1, 2, 3. Join the other 3 vertices. Then make triangle here. Right? Very late, beta. Tani, 1 minute check karo dobara. I am making it again. Like this. 3 vertices. From 3 vertices, then make triangle over here. Then other 3 vertices join with this triangle. Then join this line and these three. Okay, Bani? Clear? Clear? This is the bacteriophage and this part is called head. This is called head. Then we will make collar. Like this. This is collar. Here it is sheep. Okay. Then and then pentagon shape here. Pentagon shape here. This is called base plate. This is called base plate, and then you will make tail fibers over here. These are called tail fibers. And this whole part is called tail. Head and the tail are the 2 main parts. Head, collar, sheath. tail fibers, base plate. Okay, do it. Now we will discuss about, as we have discussed all the groups of the microorganism. Now, as the chapter is microorganisms, friends and the foe, so we will discuss now the friends. Okay, how the microorganisms are friends, yeah, useful microorganism. We will discuss the topic microorganisms as friends. The topic can come like this, and the useful microorganisms. Right? Microorganisms as friends or useful microorganisms. Number one, microorganisms are used in making food items. Used in making, right? Used in making food items. What kind of food items we can make it with the help of all these things? How the microorganism they help to make the food? Which food items can be prepared with the help of the microorganism? Anyone? Anyone knows? Yes, Hardik. Unmute yourself, Hardik.
Ma'am, curd.
Good. Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
Bature.
Okay. Yes, Anvay, unmute yourself.
मैम केक वगैरह में बेकरी में केक
Cake bakery. Right. That means microorganisms are used in making food items. कौन-कौन से food items we can prepare with the help of all these? Making of curd, bread, patties, you can say. और क्या बन सकता है? Curd. ठीक है. So we will write down making of curd, bread. Okay. As you said, the baturas and all that, or we can say patties. Okay, number of the things we can make with the help of the bacteria, microorganism. जिसमें से सबसे पहले making of curd. The question or the activity is given in your book. How the curd formation take place, है ना? तो इसके लिए हमारे पास how curd is formed. पहले मैं ये बताती हूँ. यहाँ पहले the activity is given. What they had done. They had taken the 3 balls. ठीक है, just try to understand. 3 balls लिए उन्होंने, right? 3 balls. In one ball they took the hot milk. देखो 3 balls लिए, ठीक है, इसमें लिया हमने cold milk, ठीक है, इसमें lukewarm and इसमें hot. ठीक है, in 3 balls they had taken the 3 different types, like one is the cold milk, second is lukewarm, third one is the hot, and after that they added the spoon of the curd in it. इन्होंने 1 spoon curd का डाल दिया and then they mix it. Keep it aside. What actually we observe? We observe that only in this case curd form होगा. सिर्फ इसी में curd की formation थी. Not in this case, not in that case. Why? Because when the curd, we are mixing the curd in this cold milk, no reaction will take place. And when we are taking the milk in that one, curd is mixing in the hot milk, no reaction, no curd formation takes place. Why no curd formation? Because hot milk kills the bacteria. Here, hot milk are not, cold milk is not help to grow, helps in the growth of the bacteria. That will kill, it will not help. Only the lukewarm milk. Only in this case the curd is formed. ठीक है, that means ना हमें बहुत ठंडा ना हमें बहुत गर्म टेम्परेचर वाला मिल्क चाहिए. We need a lukewarm. Now these days we are taking, in winters we are taking the hot milk because of the temperature. Is it clear? Now, how the curd formation take place? How the curd formation take place? यहाँ पे you can write formation of curd. I am just writing down in a very flowchart form formation of curd. What they will take, what they will take for formation of curd. We need milk plus curd. A spoon of curd we need. Then, when we are adding this curd into the milk, milk becomes acidic. Milk becomes acidic. दूध खट्टा हो जाएगा. ठीक है? What is present in here? Lactobacillus bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria that is present in it when we are adding the curd. तो ये multiply हो जाता है. Bacteria multiply rapidly and the milk becomes acidic. And the milk becomes acidic. And when the milk becomes acidic, it forms a curd. Forms curd. कैसे कर्ड बना? कैसे बना? Then the season. Season is what? In milk, a protein is present. In milk, a protein is present that is called casein. ठीक है? It coagulates. When the milk becomes acidic, that casein that is present in the milk, that is a protein. It coagulates. Coagulates means इकट्ठा हो जाता है, and then the curd formation takes place. Write down casein coagulates and the curd form. And what is casein? This is a protein. This is a protein. Curd is casein is what? That is a protein. Write down. How the formation of curd takes place? Formation of curd, we need the milk. As we discussed the activity, milk. Then we will add a spoon of a curd in it, and then lactobacillus bacteria it multiplies, and then milk becomes acidic. What actually is present in the milk? Now, as we are adding the curd in the milk, and then the lactobacillus bacteria it multiplies rapidly, then milk becomes acidic, and when the milk becomes acidic, then the coagulate that is a protein वो acidic medium में इकट्ठी होनी शुरू हो जाती है, and when coagulates and the curd formation take place. Write down one more point over here. In milk, write down. One another point, please write down. Milk contains a sugar called lactose. Milk contains a sugar called lactose. All of you know that when we used to purchase the milk for the kids, तो lactogen का डिब्बा लेते हैं. तो lactose that is the sugar present in the milk. ठीक है? Lactose is a sugar that is present in milk. Lactobacillus bacteria helps in converting the sugar, जो sugar है present है milk में, that is lactose, into lactic acid. Sugar, or you can write down lactose. You can write down the full word. Lactose, sugar into lactic acid by the process that is called fermentation. By this the curd is formed. Is it clear, Mate? Question can come, formation of curd, write down the way, yeah, how we can make the curd. So activity, if the question will come, how we can make the curd, then we will write down, we will take the 3 bowls. You can explain that in the cold milk, the bacteria will not grow. In hot milk, because hot milk will kill the bacteria, so the curd is not formed. And in the lukewarm milk, curd is formed. Is it clear, Bete? Now, write down the seconds in the form of the question in your NCERT. The question is there. Name the ingredient, as you told me, the baturas and all that you can make with the help of microorganism helps in the formation of batura and bread also. What is actually present in that? So write down the question. Name the ingredient that is used in baking industry. It is given over there, पूछो पहली question. Baking industry and why? हाँ जी, yes Hardik, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, curd.
Curd is used in the baking industry.
Ma'am, curd.
Okay, any other? Yes, Prabal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, baking.
Ma'am, yeast.
Okay, Anve, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, baking powder.
Baking powder, okay, we can say baking powder, Hardik, okay. Yeast, okay. Baking powder may be actually what actually happen. Like all the time we are not using in the baking industry now. Baking powder is not very good. No doubt we will use the baking powder, but in a very small amount. Okay. So what we will use, the correct answer, as Prabal said, that is the yeast. Why yeast is formed? Okay. Why yeast is formed? Yeast is used. So reason is now why they are using yeast. Yeast are the very small like small structure, circular structure होते हैं, small granules होते हैं. These are very small granules. Even when we want to make the you can say patties at home, okay, then again we are using the yeast. For yeast also, what we used to do, we will take a warm water, okay, add a spoon of sugar in it, and then yeast. Then it multiply rapidly, and then we can use it making in the baturas also. We can use that yeast material in baturas. So what is yeast? We are using yeast, that we already discussed the group of microorganisms when we discussed yeast. Write down how it helps in making the breads and the cakes and baking industry, or we are using to make the baturas, how it helps. Write down, okay, how it helps in, it reproduces rapidly, and जब yeast को exact temperature मिलता है, it reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Right? Carbon dioxide release, when they respire, they produce the carbon dioxide. Reproduces means if when the favorable conditions are there, yeast multiply. When it multiply, that means the number of the yeast are there. Number of there, then the carbon dioxide is more carbon dioxide will be produced. And when this carbon dioxide, how it helps in making? As Hardik, you told the baking soda. Same process, like in baking soda is a chemical. So we are using, when we are using in a large like that, we used to do the yeast. Baking soda is also, even we discussed now, if you remember, NaCO3, that is baking soda. When we will heat it, it produces, I am not writing down the compound here, it produces carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this carbon dioxide, when we are heating it, this carbon dioxide helps to make the things fluffy. So in the same way, when yeast we are adding, it reproduces rapidly and multiply. Okay, and and then produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Write down the next line. Bubbles of carbon dioxide, even we are using the ENO also when we used to make the idlis and all that. है ना? Bubbles of carbon dioxide fills the spaces between fills the space. Bubbles of carbon dioxide fill the space in between the dough and fills the space in between. Dough means in the water. In between the dough and helps in increases its volume makes it soft helps to increase its volume, makes it soft and fluffy. Most of the time you had seen when mama wants to make like bhaturas, तो वो जो आटा होता है इतना सा आटा लेते हैं उसको गूंथते हैं and then during this process you are adding the curd and you are adding this because they will release the carbon dioxide. When this carbon dioxide releases, it makes the things fluffy. ठीक है? No doubt हार्दिक आपका आंसर वो ठीक था, but in the baking industry most probably we are using the yeast as compared to the baking soda. Is it clear? Clear beta? Anyone is having any doubt? Hanji? Anve? एक सेकेंड. There are the different ways in which the bacteria or the microorganisms are useful in making food item. First point we already discussed about the curd, formation of curd, then yeast is used. Some of the bacteria, tenderization of meat, algae are used. ठीक है, other. Okay.